Have you ever wondered how does an aircraft of mass around 1 lakh kgs float in the air? What are the forces acting on an aircraft? What is the maximum velocity at which an aircraft can fly? Why do commercial aircraft flies at altitudes around 35,000 to 42,000 feet? If you would like to know the answers to these questions in a simple language, then this course is for you. Hello friends, I am Dr. Prabhjeet Singh, PhD in Aerospace Engineering from IIT Kanpur. Welcome to my new course, Flight Dynamics and Performance, a MATLAB and SIMULINK approach brought to you by 𝘬𝗵𝗺. Now, how this course will be different from existing online courses? Well, the course title itself signifies that this will be a simulation-based course. The plots that you usually see in textbooks, we will be simulating those graphs in MATLAB from scratch. So even if you are not well versed with coding, after this 20 hours course, you will have enough confidence to simulate real engineering problems. I look forward to seeing you in the course and helping you explore the dynamics of flight like an engineer. See you on board.